In this video, we cover the topic of your ideal customer persona. What you will learn and do here will shape the way you communicate with your potential students and also how you market your course. And by the way, your ideal customer persona is not just relevant if you create and sell courses, but for anything you want to sell online. I cover this specific topic in almost every single teaching and masterclass because it is so very important for success. Understanding who your ideal customer is, what they want, and how they think is crucial to your course's success. So what exactly is a customer persona? Think of it as a detailed profile of your ideal student, the person who's most likely to benefit from and be interested in your course. It's more than just a simple description. It's a comprehensive understanding of their needs, pain points, goals, and even the way they speak and think. This persona acts like a blueprint that helps you tailor both your course content and your marketing strategies in a way that speaks directly to them. And why is this so important? And the answer is simple. The better you know your ideal customer, the more effectively you can reach them and offer them a course that resonates with them specifically. When you have a clear picture of who they are, you can create content that truly addresses their needs and makes them think, wow, this is exactly what I've been looking for. This is how you turn a potential student into a paying one. Now, let's get hands-on and build your customer persona, your ideal customer persona profile. Remember all the research you've been doing and the blueprint you filled out earlier in this masterclass. It is time to put that information to work. First, define the foundational aspects of your ideal student. Consider their age, their gender, location, and education level. Are they just starting out in their field or are they seasoned experts? What job titles do they hold? These demographic details help you understand their context and where they are coming from. Think about their psychographics, as it's called, their interests, their values and motivations. What are their goals related to your specific course topic? What keeps them up at night? What challenges are they facing that your course could potentially help solve? Understanding this is key to creating content that connects on a much deeper level. Then understand their online behavior. Where do they hang out online? Which social media platforms do they use? What websites do they visit? Knowing this helps you choose the right channels to reach them effectively. This is where your marketing strategy meets your course content creation, making sure you're speaking to them in the right places. Then it's time to bring your ideal customer persona profile to life. This is a fun part. You give your customer persona a name, and if you're feeling creative, even a face. This simple step helps to humanize your ideal student persona. Remember that behind every screen that shows your course or your online ad or anything else that you share with this world, there is a real person with real needs and dreams. Giving them a name and face helps you keep that in mind when you're developing your course and marketing materials. In this age of AI, it is extremely simple to create a visual representation of your ideal customer persona. You can use tools like Midjourney, like DALL-E or Wonder AI to create it. By using the description, that's the result of this very lecture. You can find many videos on my YouTube channel that show you how to use these tools for AI image generating. Keep your persona dynamic. Remember, a customer persona isn't something you create once and then forget about. It should evolve as you learn more about your audience and gather new insights. Stay flexible and be ready to tweak and refine it as needed. This keeps your persona relevant and ensures that your course stays aligned with what your students truly need. And you can add modules, you can add lectures, or you can remove certain information if it's not relevant anymore. Continuously update it if your ideal customer persona really needs it. Crafting your ideal customer persona is more than just a research task. It's a powerful way to build a deeper connection with your true audience. When you understand your future students on this level, you create a course that doesn't just sell, it transforms lives. So dive in, start shaping your persona, and use this understanding to create something truly amazing. And as a bonus for this lecture, you'll find a downloadable ideal customer persona profile template right here in this lecture, along with a filled out example to guide you. So that's an example that I built myself once. Take the time to create your persona, and don't forget to share your progress and insights if you want to share that, of course. Go take a look, and I'll see you in the next lecture. Bye.